this video, I'll show you how you can download Roblox on your PC. Now there's 3 different ways that you can do this. The first one is you head over to roblox.com, create an account and log in. And from in here, you're simply gonna choose any of the games. Let's just choose this one. And then when you press the big play button here, it's gonna ask you to download Roblox. Now the other method is you wanna go to Google and search for download Roblox. Open up this one and you'll get the download button right here. Now the last option is you head down here and search for Microsoft Store. Open up the Microsoft Store and wait for it to load. And then once it's done loading, what you want to do is you want to search for Roblox up here, press search, and then the Roblox should be in here, right here. So click on this, press install, and then you will have Roblox as well. Now those are the 3 different ways that you can install Roblox. It's really easy and really simple, so I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.